Welcome to the Drum Set Therapy Podcast. My name is Stefano Ashbridge, and this is a show about the challenges that come with playing the drums and what you can do about them so you enjoy your drumming journey. Visit drumlessonsinla.com for online and in-person drum coaching. Today I want to talk about taking regular breaks when you're practicing for a long period of time. If you have 2 to 4 hours to practice, I think that's wonderful. And I'm one of those people that would try to barrel through all 4 hours without stopping. But it's so important to pay attention to your body to sense when you need a break, both your physical muscles and also your mind. At some point, you start getting diminishing returns when your body needs a break, and you start to notice that you're making more and more mistakes. So I would recommend you get up, maybe just go for a short walk or get a drink of water. The break doesn't have to be for very long, but just something to reset your muscles and your mind so that you come back fresh and ready to play. One thing I used to do is when I would work on my hands, when they needed a break, I would work on my feet and then come back to the hands, which is fine, but sometimes you need a complete break. I know that this can seem obvious, and I know that a lot of the things that I say on this podcast can seem obvious, but I find that most people don't actually do it, myself included. I need the reminder. That's it. Take regular breaks. Thanks for listening. Visit drumlessonsinla.com for online and in-person drum coaching. Till next time.